okay? Then I'm going to take dates. They're dried dates. I'm going to take some dates. Just like this. Take one. I'll take two, fuck it, why not? And then I'm going to take a ramekin, maple syrup, something like this. What? I'm making, okay, so I'm just fucking freestyling, but it's bacon. I deglazed a pan with white wine that the bacon was in because it was cakey, and I don't know, I feel like it was the right thing to do. Maybe it was the wrong thing to do, who knows. But there's bacon, and then I have cream with water, and I have dill, bay leaf, and kombu, and I have that steaming with diced mushroom in the steamer here. And then which smells really fucking good. And then I have maple syrup. Trust the process, or don't, I don't care. And I'm just coating the bottom of the ramekin, and then I'm cutting the dates. In half, placing them in here. I feel like one is enough. Anyway. These are dried, but I'm going to rehydrate them. Fucking Jesus. Ah! Whatever, we'll do 1.5. And then I'm going to put the dates with the maple syrup in the steamer. And like I said, rehydrate them. I'm just going to keep cooking this bacon. I want it to be crispy, but it's not doing what I want, so fuck it. I'll just take longer for that, but Putting salt. Holy titty fuck. And then I'm just mixing this around. I just put salt in it. That's really good, in my opinion. Then, while the steamer's still hot, I'm gonna take, I'm just gonna throw some eggs in the already boiling water. I'm gonna take 2. In. Ow, fuck. Stove on. Egg in mushroom cup, okay? Utensils in front of you. Bacon on. Me, Doja. I'm just gonna try this. I like that. That's actually good. Surprising. I thought that was going to taste like ass. Not really ass, but you know, ass. Anyway. So we have the bacon. And then the eggs are going to go for 6 minutes, 5. I still want them to be kind of runny. And then also, do this and this at the same time. So the eggs are boiling and the dates and maple syrup are steaming above the eggs. And then we have this, which I actually want to thoroughly try. And then it's amazing. Bacon. Yeah. Oh, fuck me. then, let me wrap these up. So really we just wait and do not shit for the next 5 minutes. Okay, now this can come off. Holy cock and balls. That's not gonna be easy. Okay, so let's take so now we have maple syrup, dates, all here. And bacon, and then the eggs should be like pretty good in like 2 minutes. So let's just take, it feels like the eggs might be a nightmare. The eggs will be a nightmare. But anyway, whatever. Let's just cook them for 2 more minutes. I'm going to pop this in so it's hot. Just so that there's no problem with that. Okay. I'm excited. This is going to be good. Eggs and bacon, but it's a little different. Last night I made dinner. And it was very good. It was something that I didn't invent it. I ripped it from something that I had in Mexico. And there was a incredible chef there who, his name's Mauro Colagrego. I think it's Colagreco. But he made it, he took a beet By the way, this beat was like, this is what this guy did. Listen to me. It's like it's an excursion. He took a beet, he fucking planted it 2 years in some special soil, I think, and then unplanted it. Wait, fuck. He grew a beet, it grew, and then he took it out of the ground and put it back. Wait, no. He took it out of the ground, he put it in a shed. Then he put it back in the ground for 2 years. That's what I think. I could be wrong. They explained it to us. 2 years it took to make these beets. It was a big fucking beet, this big. And he cut it into these thin slices after like cooking it. He cuts it into slices. He puts it in like a cream with caviar. And like God knows what's in the cream and whatever. But I tried to make my own. And I did the caviar and everything. And I added lobster to it. I just put like 2 claws on top. And it looked beautiful to me, but everybody was like, this looks fucking foul. This looks disgusting. I can't believe you think that we'd want to eat this. And I'm like, come on. You don't even know what it tastes like. It's not like it's not edible. I wouldn't eat bugs. I have a fucking line, you know? There's a line that I won't cross. I'm not gonna eat a fucking bug. I might eat 1 bug in my lifetime, but that's it. I'm good off that. I'm not gonna like it. I've tried escargot. I've eaten a bug. No, but my point is that I've tried escargot and it tastes like earth. And not in a good way. That's my opinion. I don't like it. I do not like escargot. That's the cutest thing that's been said in this chat room today. Yeah, so I copied this dish, and it was really good. But not as good, obviously. But it was very fucking good for something, like, for me, like, making something like that, it was okay. I fucking snapped. I really did. I snapped. Wow. Wow. I have a meeting that I have to go to. But I'll be back, maybe. All right.